love, who don't you? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me?
And I'm just going to be styling them. This is my third collaboration with this company, so I did reach out and ask if I could do a little giveaway for you guys. So today's video, we are going to be doing a little giveaway. So all I'm going to need you guys to do, if you would like to win a free blanket, there's only going to be one winner and one free blanket sent out. So today I'm reviewing these really super soft and fluffy blankets. I love this kind of like tribal print. It kind of goes with his room already because his room's kind of like teepee, kind of like outdoorsy vibe. I don't know, I think it's super cute and he loves it. It's so cozy and soft. I was so excited about having a super fluffy soft blanket on his bed. My kids love blankets. I mean, who doesn't love blankets though, right? So all I'm gonna need you guys to do, if you
I'm a little bit too good, I'm too fly. Bye bye, bye bye.
So here's one of the other blankets that I'm styling in today's videos, and I love the tassels on the end, super cute. And now we're just going to be heading into the kitchen, and I'm just going to start off with, I'm just going to be making my daughter's bed.
I can't help hide the sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say this to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long.
And then we're going to head into the master bedroom, and my camera did, once again, kind of shut off. I had made the bed and all of that, and you guys are seeing this new blanket also from Lalifit. So this is the third blanket, so go ahead and leave me a comment down below.